just started it up. First time in about a month and a half. Four more months to go before we insure it again. No point in insuring a convertible in the winter. Got it up on blocks so don't get flat spots on the tires. That's it.